Who is that?
Sasha.
Trash truck? Is he coming to say hi?
Yes.
Are you going to say hi?
Yes, hi.
Where is he? Gavin?
No.
You don't know?
Look up dust, Mommy.
What is it?
Look up dust.
Oh, he's picking up the trash?
Yes.
Oh.
Sasha.
What are you waiting for?
Movie Sasha.
You what?
Movie Sasha.
You're going to wait for the trash truck?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. How long are you going to wait?
Movie Sasha.
How long are you going to wait?
Movie Sasha.
What's he doing?
Look up dust.
He's picking up trash?
Yes. Oh, honey. Manita.
I see it. What's he doing? How does it work?
Look up dust.
Yeah. And how does it work?
Look up dust.
Oh, here he comes. Are you going to say hello?
No, look up dust.
Are you going to say hi?
Look up dust.
Say hi. You got to say hi. You got to say hi, Gavin. Okay, now you got to say goodbye.
Bye-bye, Mommy. Go, bye. Mommy, don't. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Let's go. Go down.
Oh, Mommy.
Okay, I'll go with you. Okay. You gotta say hi. Yeah. He's gotta do his work, sweetie. You gotta say goodbye. You gotta say goodbye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
You gotta say goodbye. He has to work.
No. Look up dust, Mommy.
I know he has to pick up trash. Okay.
Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
What?
There's a move.
More trash truck?
Yes.
Oh no, there's another one?
Yes. Bye-bye.
Oh, really? There's another trash truck?
Yes, Mommy. Mommy,
What?
Lisa.
We're waiting for the trash truck. Gavin, there's no more trash trucks.
Oh, my feet.
Gavin, there's no more trash trucks.
Mommy.
Gavin. There's no more. That's a cat. Upside down, yes. Gavin, where's the trash truck? Where's the trash truck? Where's the trash truck? No. You have to stay right here. You have no shoes. Gavin, you have no shoes. You can stay right there. You hear it? Where's the trash truck? I don't see it. Gavin? Where's the trash truck? There's no more trash trucks. They're all gone.
Jesus.
There's no more.
What do you tell us?
Gavin, there's no more trash trucks. Gavin. Gavin. All, there's no more trash trucks. No, be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Where? There's no more. There's no more trash trucks. Let's go inside. The other cat? Okay. Bye.